Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. I do hope that you are doing okay. And I'm praying na maging okay po sana ang sitwasyon natin. Since naka-home quarantine tayo at yung iba naman is naka-lockdown, alam natin sa atin, nasa mga bahay tayo ngayon. And the only access that we have is the internet. Let's make use of this time or if with this panahon na ito na to study more about entrepreneurship, guys. And as of now, before nag-home quarantine dito sa Cebu, someone just sent me a message in Facebook Messenger. It's from LEARN.GROW.EARN. Hindi ko siya kaano-ano, ka-apelyedo ko lang siya. And this is the exact message that he sent to me. I'll just put the screenshot here, but yung message niya is all about what's the best promotion that I can give to him para daw tumaas yung sales niya. So, yung pagka-message na ganon, nag-reply naman ako sa kanya and it gives me an idea to give you 5 ideas of doing promotions, guys. And siguro yung iba dito is best practices that experience me. I'm with my, where I work. Basta kasama ko yung mga anak ko ngayon na dito kami sa rooftop at meron kaming maliit na payad. And we're getting some fresh air, guys. So, ito yung view. And then there's, sa kabila naman is yung view ng city. I don't know if you can see it, but
Mama, I am glad you.
okay, I love you too. You say hi.
Hi.
Now, thank you for subscribing.
In YouTube, guys.
So, kung ngayon lang tayo nagkakilala, guys, my name is Val and I am an entrepreneur. I am someone who is starting out my business, a small business actually, and with all the learnings and the process and ideas that I have learned when running this kind of small businesses or online business, I am sharing it here in my channel. So if interesado ka sa mga topic na about business ideas, creative ways on how to do business, please click the subscribe button below and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so every time I will be uploading those kind of content, you will be notified. So our video for today, guys, is all about promotions. So ito yung mga 5 idea na ibabahagi ko sa inyo para magkaroon kayo ng magkaroon kayo ng idea kung anong klaseng mga promotions ang pwede nyo i-offer sa inyong mga customer para lalo pa kayong balik-balikan at lalo pang siguro matry nila yung product ninyo, no? At saka tumaas pa yung sales ninyo. So, yun yung purpose kung bakit nagkakaroon ng mga promotions yung ibang mga shop, lalo na yung mga online shop or mga shop na may physical store. So, kung nakikita nyo, meron silang mga sale, promotion, kung ano-ano pang mga pakulo yung ginagawa nila para lang mapansin sila ng mga customer. So, ito yung mga 5 ideas na ibabahagi ko sa inyo, guys. So, 5 idea dahil hindi ako mag-share ng isa lang or dalawa lang. Kasi, some of the promotion might work for me and might not work for you. Or some promotion might not work for me and some promotion might work for you, guys. Okay? So, yung unang promotion na idea na ibabahagi ko, which is, number 1 is the loyalty card. So, if you're familiar with this, yung mostly ginagamit sa mga coffee shop. So, if you notice, in a coffee shop, they give you a loyalty card. So, mga Starbucks, yung mga card na merong pang ganun, pwede ka lang mag-avail. Kung sa kung sa December, di ba meron silang pakulo na kumpletuhin nyo yung mga cups na to, and you will get a free journal sa Starbucks at saka sa Boss Coffee, di ba meron silang ganun na pakulo, kaya tumataas yung sales nila every December. Or ito yung mga example, guys, i-share ko sa inyo example ng mga loyalty cards na pwede nyong kunan ng mga idea. So mostly, guys, if you can see, meron dyang mga 10 cups. So every 10 cups, every time that you purchase a cup, 9 cups siguro, yung pang 10 is for free na sa inyo. So So, ganun din yung gagawin nyo sa inyong milk tea. Siguro mag-avail sila ng, example lang ito ha, mag-avail sila ng mga 9 cups and then yung pang 10 cups, pwede nyo na siyang for free. So, depende pa rin yun. Okay? So, yung idea nito is para mag-gain back kayo ng customer na balik-balikan kayo to purchase your milk tea. So, instead of going to another milk tea shop, they will have an idea to just go to your store para kumpletuhin at makakuha sila ng libreng milk tea. Pero yung cons lang nito is gagasto ka ng printout para sa inyong milk tea. So, yun. Yung nga, gagasto kayo. Sa pagkakaalam ko, kumasto ako ng 100 pieces na loyalty card and that cost me 350 pesos, guys. And of course, hindi naman kayo nag-aim to have 100 customers, but you're aiming for more. You're aiming for like 200 loyalty cards to give to your loyal customers. Okay? So, yan nga, mapapagasto lang kayo sa ganitong klaseng idea or promotion. Okay, idea number, ang ingay ng mga aso. Okay, idea number 2, guys, is what we call like and share. So, if you're someone who has a Facebook page or Instagram account for your business, this is a good idea para mag-increase yung page visitor nyo at saka shop visitor nyo. So, how does it work, guys? So, every time that a customer will buy, you will tell them or you will let them know that you have an ongoing promotion sa inyong Facebook page or sa Instagram account ninyo, or siguro let's focus na lang sa Facebook page, guys. So, you hand them over. If you have a flyer, hand them over, or if you don't have, just tell them that you're having an ongoing promotion. You tell them to visit your Facebook page, to like and share, tell about your product, so that on your next visit, you can get 10% off. They will get another 10% off if they give you a review to your Facebook page together with a photo of the product that they purchase. That's how it works, guys. In that way, kapag nagsisearch yung mga tao tungkol sa shop nyo or sa Facebook page nyo, at least magkakaroon sila ng idea kung ano yung mga review or mga nasasabi ng mga ibang customer na bumibili sa inyong produkto. At least mapapainggan din sila na okay, maganda ang review ng milk tea shop na to, so let's go over there, tikman natin, bilhin natin. Ganon yan. So it's still your discretion, guys, if it's gonna be 10% off or 15% off. So, depende pa rin sa inyo kung ilang porsyento yung ibibigay niyo sa inyong customer para magkaroon ng discount. So, the third one is what we call sale, guys. So, when we say sale, mas mababa yung presyo sa pagbibenta niyo sa original price. So, how does it work? For example, yung umaga ninyo, like yung opening time, mostly sa akin 8 a.m. to 11 p.m., mahina yung benta ko. So, yung ginagawa namin is nagpo-promo kami, nag-less kami ng price. Let's say, yung 100 pesos na cup ng aking milk tea is binaba ko siya into 80 pesos. So, they save 20 pesos. But, it will only be available 8 a.m. up until 11 p.m. guys. So, at least, matutukan ng mga tao na at that time nakasave ka sa milk tea mo at saka bibili sila. Instead of getting no sale sa 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. nyo, at least meron kayong sale. Although mababa lang yung profit margin nyo, pero at least it's better than zero. Hindi na kayo magmumukmuk kasi wala kayong ginagawa sa morning. At least nagiging busy din yung shop nyo, diba? Hindi na buburingan yung mga crew nyo. At least may bumibili pa rin. So, yung fourth item natin, guys, or fourth idea is what we call give free item. So, yung iba, ginagawa ito sa pag-upgrade ng mas malaking cup size. So, let's say, yung large cup of milk tea ninyo, you will have a free french fries. So, ipapartner nyo siya sa product ninyo na mababa yung cost, lang yung food cost na kaya nyong i-partner sa large cup ng milk tea ninyo para maging libre. Or what you can do is buy 2 large of milk tea, you get free french fries or whatever it is. Kung ano man yung mga side dish ninyo na binibenta. Pwede ding ang gawin ninyo is buy large cup of milk tea and you get additional toppings or sinkers like coffee jelly or cookies on top, mga ganong bagay. Yung mga artists, maha-highlight yung tinatawag nating free. Kasi when you say free, guys, yung mga tao gustong gusto yan. Promise. Nag-work yan sa akin noon kasi nung nagbebenta kami ng coffee, ang ginawa ko is bumili ako ng isang cake dun sa SNR. Yung cake na parang circle and then I cut it to how many pieces ba? Basta mura lang siya na cake pero masarap siya, guys, kasi galing sa SNR. So, ang ginawa ko, kasi mahina yung benta ng coffee ko at that time. So, ang ginawa ko nun, guys, sabi ko, nilagay ko sa labas na buy cup of coffee, you get 1 slice free of cake. That's it. Depende pa rin sa inyo kung gagawan yun siya ng time frame or gagawin nyo ba siya sa mahinang araw ninyo, like pinakamahinang araw is Tuesday to Thursday. Mga ganong klaseng promotion, guys. The last promo that we have is, the best one that really works for me is buy one get one promo, guys. Yes. So, sabihin na natin na bibili sila ng isang milk tea, may libre silang isang milk tea pa. So, nag-work ito sa mga opening days, guys. At saka nag-work ito sa mga very slow days and slow hours ninyo, especially sa morning. Mag-work talaga itong buy one take one promo. And take note, guys, na kailangan nyo pa rin i-check kung may profit kayo. Mostly kasi tinatawag itong happy hour, yung buy one take one. Tinatawag siyang happy hour kasi yung mga tao pag bumibili, happy sila. Diba? Kasi bumibili sila sa, let's say, 95 pesos na milk tea nyo, 100 pesos na milk tea nyo, dalawa na yung nabili nila, diba? Sa buy one take one promo. So, yung purpose kasi, yung ibang restaurant or ibang mga bar is, they do the buy one take one promo or they do specific time na ganyan kasi yung hours na yun is very slow. Yung purpose nila at that time is not to make any profit but to make their business busy. So when their business is busy, parang hindi boring yung shop nila ba? Mostly kasi sa akin, tinatanong nila ako kung how I run this promo. Yung promo ko, guys, na pinapatakbo ko siya ng isang buwan. Especially yung last na promo, ginawa ko siyang 1 month. Tinitingnan ko kung mag-work talaga. Kasi if 1 week lang, guys, yung word of mouth, yung pinaka-best marketing is hindi siya aabot sa iba. So, mas may ginap, i-run mo siya siguro ng mga isang buwan. At least, maano ng mga tao na, ay, yung shop na yon, yung every morning, 80 pesos lang yung milk tea nila. So, sasabihin niya sa friends niya, at saka yung friend niya, sasabihin niya naman sa mga group of friends niya, at saka yung ibang group of friends around us. Yun yung pinaka-the best marketing style, guys, is word of mouth. Kaya hindi ako napapatakbo ng promotion ng isang linggo lang, 2 linggo lang. Ginagawa ko isang buwan talaga. So, if this promo did not work for me for a month, change it to a different kind of promotion. So, ang ginagawa kasi natin, guys, is mga pakulo lang. Pakulo na they play with our target market mind. So, parang naglalaro tayo sa kanila. Ano ba talaga yung pinakagusto nila at saka saan ba talaga nagkiklik yung mga customer natin na mainggan yung bumili sa ating shop. Yun yung challenge kasi natin, guys, as a business owner, na paano nga ba madagdagan yung sales natin, paano ba natin mainggan yung itong mga customer na dumadaan na pumasok sa shop natin at saka bumili. We'll do promo, guys, and that's it. So, yung iba kasi nagpapatakbo ng mga promo ng mga ilang araw lang. Ngayon kasi, guys, nauubusan na ako ng content kung ano ba yung mga pwede ko pang i-share sa inyo. And I do hope mag-comment kayo kung ano pa yung gusto nyong malaman, kung ano pa ba yung gusto nyong ibahagi ko, i-share ko sa inyo, guys. Comment nyo sa baba para gawan ko ng video as long as kaya ko siyang gawin, guys. So I do hope that you learned something for I do hope na meron kayong natutunan, nagkaroon na kayo ng idea. So when this COVID-19 will be over, guys, start over. Let's apply whatever learnings that we have learned during this COVID-19. I'm still hoping and praying for you guys that you are doing very well. You will be okay and the situation will be better soon. So just stay at home, guys. If may makakain pa kayo, just stay at home. And if wala na kayong makain, huwag kayong maghintay sa gobyerno. I-try nyo maghanap. Be a resourceful person, guys. Pero, huwag naman matigas yung ulo na kapag sinabing stay at home lang tayo, guys. Anyway, so yun lang. Ganun lang yung mga gagawin natin para hindi na tumatagalan, guys. Makakabangon din tayo. I hope that this will be over on April, no? Who knows? But anyways, thank you so much and I love you guys. Please take care and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!